Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term bird bath. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, bird bath is a shallow basin of water where birds bathe and drink. People use it when talking about a garden feature that attracts birds. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Birdbath first showed up as a garden water feature concept dating back to ancient Greece. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among nature lovers and gardeners. Now let's check out how to use birdbath in a sentence. Correct example 1. The garden's birdbath attracted dozens of colorful birds this morning. Correct example 2. I placed a birdbath near the window to watch the birds play. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said bird bath at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using bird bath right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Bird bath means a shallow basin of water for birds to bathe and drink. It started in ancient Greece, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with birdbath in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.